Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can boost a Discord server. So if you want to boost a Discord server, you have to select the server first, then just click on the user settings and then scroll down and you'll find server boost, this option. Click on server boost and choose your server from here, which server you want to make boost. Okay, so if you want to boost this server, you just click here, simply boost this server. Now if you want to make for 1 month or 2 purchase or 3 purchase, that's up to you. If you want to increase plus, if you want to decrease then minus, and it is $5 per month, you can see. So if you are good with it, then click on continue, then upgrade to Nitro. Then after that you have to click on monthly or yearly. Just choose one and pay your card. Okay, I don't have a card right now, so I cannot show you. So just if you have card, then just you can simply put here card on and your boom, your server is ready to serve you. Okay, so guys, this is how we can do server boosting in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.